Hello, awesome community. Welcome to this session. I am Jaimit, AWS Community Builder and AWS Serverless Developer. In this session, I am going to cover overview about AWS and relevant most widely used AWS services. So let us start with uh, directly jump into the relevant topic, and I will give you the quick idea about what is exactly the AWS and how you can get started using this AWS and go deeper into that. So first of all, I can start with what is a cloud computing. Cloud computing is nothing but like uh, we are getting the we are accessing the storage and some other resources on the internet. Same way, in past we was using like hosted services, hosted servers, physical servers on our premise on premises, but nowadays we have a cloud concept. So same way like this AWS. AWS nothing but a very big cloud provider, Amazon Web Services, which is a cloud provider which is providing different cloud resources like compute resources, storage resources, network resources, and many lots of more than 200 services provided on single platform. So that services we can use by using pay as you go model. Okay, so this is a AWS is very big cloud provider, and where we can take a different resources on rent for hosting our website, hosting a static website, hosting a dynamic website. Like we can do some other kind of stuff, and there are many models we can use for based on our requirements. Okay, so there are AWS is supporting so whenever you start with AWS, your question first things like where I can get started. Okay, so what you need to do is like you need to start with this website like aws.amazon.com/console. So where you will need to click on sign in to the console, and you need to create your account first. So once you registered your account, at the end it will ask different information, and probably at the end you need to give your credit card or a debit card link for a payment purpose. That is compulsory. But don't worry about it. Like you need to go deeper into the different services, and feel free to explore it, because don't worry about linking the debit card or a credit card, because there are Amazon AWS already giving us a uh, many free tire. Okay, so what it means, like whenever you getting started with the AWS web services, as soon as you register and link your credit card and sign in, you will have this you will have this AWS free tire access. Okay, so that is for 1 year, after registration up to 1 year or something. Like you can see for 12-month free. Some services are always free, so some services are 12-month free for as a part of this free trial. So you can explore here like which services are under free tier. Say for example, you can see like the Amazon EC2 will be charged to like 750 hours per month are available under free tier, so that will not charge whenever you explore it. Same way like different services are available. Same way like AWS Lambda will charge for don't charge anything for 1 million requests under free tier. So that is good. Like don't fear about the charges. You can keep in mind like check this free tier and sign in and try to explore it, because if you do the practical exploration, and then only you will get better idea on this, right? So this is your first step to getting started with it. uh, as soon as you sign up and sign in into the console, you will, after login, you will see this kind of like AWS management console. This is a GUI of for management console. Here you are able to manage different resources. Okay, so here even you are able to enable like multi-factor authentication for your login, so you will have a better security. Like you will get a notification on your mobile as soon as you sign in, and you will have a multi-factor authentication with your account. Okay, so after the sign in done, let me explain you few services. Okay, so that will give you a better idea, overview about like what exactly the AWS is. There are more than 200 services, so it is hard to explore all the services at a time, but it would be better you can start with something basic and go deeper into the different services. And once you get the fundamental idea of what exactly the AWS and how the different services are work and how that is interlinked, you will grab it easily, some other and new services launching every time, right? So as soon as you log in into the console, you click on services, you will see there are many categories for different services. You can see like there are computes, there are database, so there are networking services, there are storage services. So there are many number of range of different categories are there. But what I am trying to give you is, I am trying to give you some scenario based idea, which services when you can use and those kind of things in this AWS overview. Okay,